Hello, my name is Lena Porter, and for my literature review paper, I chose the feminist theory in IR as my topic. I chose this as my topic because the theory is relatively new, and the ideas that the feminist theorists present are important and should be discussed within today's society. As a woman, I think that feminism within any field is important, but as a woman studying political science, I can relate to this more personally. When we're studying IR, most of the theorists and scholars are male, and most of the theories are either male-centered or male-dominated. So feminism in IR allows for the discussion of the inequalities within the international system that women have faced before or are facing currently. They also discuss the gender subordination and are working towards a more equal international system. One of the articles that I chose to review was the Feminist IR Theory and Quantitative Mythology, a critical analysis written by Caprioli. I found this piece to be interesting because he mentions an observation about the feminist theory and theorists that I had not seen before. The observation made by Caprioli was that by excluding quantitative feminist IR scholarship, conventional feminists were creating hierarchies within a field that is focused on rejecting and deconstructing hierarchies. It's not a secret that the feminist theory in IR does not have as much quantitative data as other theories, but with conventional feminist theorists excluding this group is problematic. Another piece of literature that I chose to review was Stirring Gender into the Mainstream, Constructivism, Feminism, and the Uses of IR Theory, written by Carpenter. One of the statements that I found interesting within this article is that feminist inquiries about women are simply reports of facts about women that have the intention of using this information with support of emancipatory politics. It's not to say that the report of facts about these women are not valued, but within IR, quantitative data is more reputable and more scholars will notice the theory if this type of data were used. Carpenter also suggests that in order to gain mainstream scholar recognition, feminist theorists should demonstrate that gender is relevant to their work. The last piece of literature that I found interesting was An Introduction to Gender and International Relations in a Nordic Context, written by Hansen. This article mentioned the different subcategories of the feminist theory, such as rationalist feminism, empirical feminism, theoretical critical feminism, and constructivist feminism. Most of the literature that I found while researching discussed feminism in a broader sense and didn't break down the different subcategories. And it's important to review the different subcategories because it provides a deeper understanding of the theory as a whole, and as well as the theorists who study feminism in IR and the different viewpoints each subcategory holds. In my opinion, the future of feminism in IR will acquire more quantitative data, which will then gain respect and recognition from mainstream scholars. By gaining the recognition and respect from the mainstream scholars, the theory as a whole will become more reputable and gain popularity within IR. I hope that every IR theorist in scholarship studies this topic because it's an important theory that everyone should be aware of. Thank you.